Release unit bound to Digus City. Kia Bongo 3 double cab 4x4 3.0 engine CRDI turbo intercooler 4-wheel drive. Unit is set up with loaded chrome accessories, minimal stickers, stainless canopy, bumper, stepboard, and mudguard. Customer request to change into brand new tires. Inclusions: registration, TPL insurance, tinted window glass, air condition, hub cover, and fully recon unit. Customer request interior accessories combination of black and gray. We accept made to order. For more information, just message our page or call us for faster transaction. Daghang salamat, Mr. and Mrs. Saklon, for trusting us.